Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have iPhone 17 Pro Max or 17, this video is very important for you. In this video, I will tell you one of the amazing settings for the photography style for iPhone 17 Pro Max for photos, as well as I will tell you one of the best camera setting for especially video vlogger or content creator. You should use this setting. Afterward, provide me your feedback in comment section in below. My iPhone screen is coming here. I will show you which setting is the best for photography style. First of all photo and then next video. Simply enter here the setting, camera. Inside the camera, second option display here photography style. So we just simply tab here. Currently I selected here standard, but here bunch of different options is available here. Most of people just simply select here one of them and then capture randomly photos, and afterwards you are not receiving good quality pictures after capturing these photos. I will tell you here you should select amber, and after that click here the customize. Inside the customize you need to select the tone as a 10 to 15 in between. So here the top of the screen tone is showing plus 10 to 15, not minus. If you select here this dot and just simply drag and drop, and afterwards you just simply see here the differentiation of the photography style. So we select here, I select here tone 15 and color is a 12. This is the perfect setting to capture the photo. Afterwards I just simply set here as a default setting for using the fine-tune setting as well. So my setting comes here in the amber, and this setting comes in photography setting, not video. Afterwards I'm receiving really impressive selfie as well. Afterward the capture the photos as well. Now next point come here for the video setting as well. Again we need to enter setting, camera, and here the video setting means video recording. Here the standard comes here 720 pixel to 4K at 120 frame per second, but as here my opinion 4K at 30 frame per second is one of the best, and second one is a smooth recording perspective. You should select 4K at 60 frame per second. Afterwards you capture the video and receive tremendous changes as 4K 120 frame per second or different other setting as well. Most important points, if you open here the camera, the video, sometimes here you just simply tab here and select here like 30 frame per second, 60 frame per second and 120 frame per second. But as my personal opinion, you should select 4K at 30 or 60 frame per second. Afterward record the video and use editing perspective. You receive massive pro raw data. Afterwards you can very easily edit and modify your data and receive quality output. This is the one of the best setting. And second thing, scroll down here, you need to enable all of this most important points. You need to enable here HDR video, high efficiency as well, and the lock white balance as well. Why we need to enable this white balance? So look at this here, middle of the screen the white color is showing, so you can enable this white balance as well. Fusion camera always enable 28 and 35 mm and start your photo capturing or video capturing, and that's it. This is the one of the best setting to capture the photo and record the video using iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind.